Get paid for your opinions today. Get paid to complete simple surveys. Enjoy and choose from thousands of high-paying surveys. Receive payments via PayPal, check or wire transfer. Redeem exciting rewards and gadgets from Apple, Samsung and more. Here's how you can stake out your personal claim in our $8 million gold mine. $8 million is the amount our happy members have been paid to date just for sharing their opinions with our panel of top companies. And now it's your turn to claim your piece of the action, starting today. GoldOpinions.com is a fast and easy way to make extra money online simply by sharing your opinions. We remove the hassle so you can focus on giving your opinions and getting rewarded. Tell us what you think about the products you use every day, or even try new ones before they hit store shelves. By joining GoldOpinions.com you will get paid up to $5 for 10 to 15 minute surveys, get paid up to $30 per hour on focus group and panels, get paid up to $15 to $30 for 30 to 45 minute surveys, get paid up to $50 for premium surveys, flexible working hours, work when you want to work at home, make money no matter where you are in the world. No experience needed to join. Companies value your opinions and will reward you for sharing them. What's better than taking surveys for money in your spare time? The more surveys you take, the more opportunities you'll have to collect points and redeem them for cash and other great rewards. How long does it take? Most users make money or redeem their first reward within 24 hours. Everyone earns at their own pace, so it's up to you. Why would anyone pay for my opinions? Your views are valuable to many leading brands. A successful company's most important consultant is you, the consumer. Companies rely on your feedback to produce new and improved products and services. GoldOpinions.com bridges the gap between your opinions and the companies who need them. You can earn cash and rewards for the time you spend taking online surveys. By being a member of GoldOpinions.com, you may find yourself taking paid online surveys about electronics, medicine, politics, sports, advertisements, appliances, or even what you ate for breakfast. These are just some of the ways you can make money with our online paid surveys and strategic partnerships with major corporations. No boss, no noisy alarm clocks, and definitely no schedules. You make your own decisions. There are no unrealistic deadlines and nobody telling you how much to work. You get to decide how much you work, part-time, full-time or overtime. Earn up to $500 to $5,000 every month, making a better than average income doing what you want, when you want. Get out of the rat race today. You get to decide because you have the freedom of working for yourself. We aren't filthy rich, but we sure enjoy what we do. We are normal people, we don't flaunt our money, or dine expensively every night. We just enjoy ourselves and what we do. We have never released this information until now, and there has been an overwhelmingly successful response from it.